Huge shout out to this driver. He did an amazing job getting right back up to the shop. The screws that held this crate together were all over and every side, every junction where they connect. What a well-built crate. I felt like the laser was super secure here. All you need is a 5/16 and a Phillips screw head to get into this crate the way this one was built. Once we got all of the screws out of the bottom, then we were able to focus on the top. These were just some Phillips. Oh, we're so close. Let's see this baby. The feet were screwed and bolted so it was lifted up and blocked so the wheels were not touching. It was very secure. It did not move. Finally, there it is. What a beauty. And this box was nice and snug on the inside. Now we'll show you what was inside. You get a little bit of piping, some tubing, the air pump, and a tool pouch. Here you get all your power cords, your connection for your laptop or your computer, tools, some keys, the tape, and a few other necessary items. Here we did 3 spaces in between each slat to help support the table and evenly space them. What a beauty. Now in its final resting place. So excited for this adventure. Beaming with possibilities. Thank you, OMTECH. We are beaming with possibilities.